Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful crochet tablecloth design ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, today I am sharing a beautiful round crochet tablecloth design. This is a classic lace pattern, soft, delicate and very elegant. The round shape make it perfect for small tables like coffee tables or side tables. The detailed stitch creative a lovely flower look in the center, and the edges have a soft lace finished. You can use white color for a traditional style or light shade for a modern look. This design is perfect for special celebration and give a luxury feel to your home. Take your time and enjoy each stitch and create something beautiful with your hand and your friends. So next idea is flower crochet table runner. So viewers, and friends, look at this amazing round crochet table runner cloth with flower design. The center star with a small circle and slowly grow into beautiful flower patterns. Each round add more details and beauty. You can use bright color like pink, yellow or green to create a fresh and lively look. This tablecloth brings a garden feeling into your home. It is perfect for spring decoration and look lovely to any table. Try this design and enjoy your creative. And friends, my next idea is beavers. Simple banner crochet tablecloth. This design uses base stitch like chain and double crochet. It is very easy to follow and quick to make. The round shape grow evenly so it's look neat and balanced. And dear friends, you can use one color for a clean look or add a soft color change for style. If you are new to crochet, this is perfect project to start with. Simple, beautiful and useful. So friends, Allah Hafiz.